Some would call it heaven on earth in East Tennessee at 8103 Burchell Lane in Knoxville. This is over 7.5 acres of partially fenced rolling pasture, framed by hundreds of mature trees, creating this heavenly mini farm, the ultimate in seclusion, yet only minutes from Knoxville and the Smokies. With a spring-fed pond, a huge barn with horse stalls and 2-car garage bays, a detached 3-car garage, and an almost 2,000 square foot all-brick home with a newer metal roof featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Your own Ponderosa offers tranquility in a country setting, and it could be yours. Schedule your private tour of 8103 Burchell Lane in Knoxville. Call Kevin Charkosky of Remax Preferred Properties direct at 865-556-5544.